Hello class, and welcome to your flipped classroom introduction video on our multidisciplinary unit of study, which is the conservation of water. More specifically for physical education, we will be looking at water and why it is important to the human body. So let's dive right into it. So here we are. So water conservation. In our unit, we will be looking at how water is important to the human body and why we need to take all possible measures in our acts of water conservation. Specifically for this unit, we will be looking at 5 major roles that water plays in the body. And with each of these roles, we are going to be split up into groups and to create group projects to do collaboration and peer teaching within the class. So these 5 major roles are chemical and metabolic reactions, nutrient transportation, body temperature regulation, removal of waste within the body, and cellular life. So moving on. So water, just diving into it to give you a great example, what water actually does for you in the body. Anywhere from forming saliva to help with digestion, acting as a shock absorber for the brain and spinal cord, converting food to components necessary for survival, not only in digestion but as well as the creation of energy, as well as lubricating joints and helping the cells grow and reproduce, as well as working with the brain to manufacture and to transmit hormones and neurotransmitters. So moving forward, just a quick map of the different components, different organs within the body, and how important water is to these specifically. So if you look at the top, the brain is composed of 82% water, the heart being just less than 80, your lymph nodes are almost all water, your liver, kidneys, which are important in the removal of waste, your skin, the largest organ you have within the body, is 70% water. Even the fat molecules that you carry in your body, whether they're good or bad fat, is composed of 20% water. Your bones, your lungs, and the muscles. So there's a lot of different organs that have a very important role with water, and why it's important for us to consume water, and how we basically cannot live without it because it is an essential building block of life. So within this unit of study, we are going to be focusing on the human body and how water consumption is key for our survival, and not just drinking water, but as well as how we gain water consumption by eating as well. And with that in mind, finding healthy and new effective ways for us to make great choices. So not only are we just drinking gallons and gallons of water, but making sure that we're eating proper foods that help with hydration as well, like fruits and vegetables and those things, and how we can work together in the community to conserve water when we water our plants, and also how we can limit our waste as individuals, whether it's using water for showers or the water that we consume, bottled or tap and those kind of things. So splitting up into groups for our group project, we'll present. Each group presents one of the major roles, teaching their peers. We'll be using PowerPoint or posters or a combination of both. So we have visual aids to display the knowledge that we've learned through our research. We will be using our Edmodo classroom as our main hub to search for the different topics of study, and each group specifically will have websites where they'll gain their information for their presentation. And also within the Edmodo classroom, we will have our quiz for this unit of study after the presentations have been finalized. And all this information will be on the classroom website, so you can go through and look back not only through this introduction video, but after we have our discussions in class as well. And the link right there for the classroom. So the main focus for this unit is creating healthy life choices and maintaining a healthy lifestyle not only during class but with moving forward in your life, and how simple little choices can be the most effective ones, and as well as creating a sustainable future going forward while as we battle this drought. So I hope you enjoyed the video and can't wait to get started in class. Thanks.